Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy and we're gonna get straight into our daily stock recap. But the first stock we're gonna look at is actually the SPY, which covers the S&P 500. And those of you who haven't been watching my channel or need a refresher, the S&P 500 has been trading in this uptrend since the beginning of September, and we had a slight scare here the end of January when we broke down from this channel, but we did hold support at this 50 SMA. And if I zoom in a little bit closer to show exactly what happened today, we broke down from our channel and now we are sitting right underneath. So with the SPY, we really wanted to break above this point, because if we can break above this pattern, I do think we will explode, because there is no overhead resistance after that point, as these are all-time highs with the SPY. And so if we look at the index, we're also going to look at Amazon. So we're looking at Amazon on the hourly time frame, and the biggest thing I want to show you guys here is that we did break down from our shorter term uptrend with Amazon, and now we are looking for a test of our 50-day SMA around 3,200. So if we can hold these two lines of support, that should act as a nice buying opportunity or averaging down at the dip for Amazon. But if we cannot hold these two SMAs, then I do suspect that we will test this bottom line of our overall larger pattern on Amazon that tracks back since about June of 2020, and so that will not be surprising whatsoever if we do, and that could see a short-term correction in the markets overall. But that's still too early to tell with these ones. With Amazon, I just wanted to see if we were going to hold this, and it looked like we did not, so I want to see a nice test off this 50 SMA. Getting back to routine, we're going to look at NEO on the hourly time frame right now. And so NEO was down 1% today, and now we are right back into our bull flag. So nothing really surprising here. This bull flag does end at the beginning of March, and so we are still trading inside this bull flag. We had a nice little false breakout, but now we are back to the scheduled program with NEO back into our bull flag. Nothing really crazy going on here. Trading sideways, and we should continue to trade sideways until the beginning of March. Next stock of the day, we're looking at BLNK on the 30-minute time frame. So Blink charging was down another 4% today, and this stock trades like butter. So those of you guys who are traders, this stock has been an absolute gem. Every single time we get up to this line of resistance, we always break down. And every time we get past this line of support, we also break down, but we somehow end up recovering our way right back into this channel. So right now with Blink, we are sitting on a support level on this Fibonacci retracement level at around 50. And if we do see bullish momentum, it should bring us back into our channel. As of right now, we are bearish because we are out of our trading channel, and this trading channel did go this entire run up since about October. And so if we cannot hold this point, I do think we will start to see a lot more downside. Speculation wise, we could be seeing a head and two shoulders right here, and so we could potentially start breaking down to the downside and potentially getting a test of our 50-day SMA. So I would not be surprised with Blink. This one is extremely volatile. We could end up over 60 tomorrow, or we could end up in the 40s tomorrow. This is just one of those type of stocks with big swings, and it is a very easy stock to trade. And so that is Blink charging today, down almost 5%. Next stock of the day, the infamous AMC on the 30-minute time frame. So we're down 3.28% with AMC, and it does look like we are starting to consolidate in this $5 range. We have been holding this line of support, but we have yet to back test it once, which is at that $5 range. So I still want to see a back test of that line of support. I did adjust our resistance line up here to make it a little bit more accurate with the pattern we're trading in right now. So I do want to see another test of either the resistance or this support line and see what happens with this one. And so along with all the other charts that we're watching, most of them seem to conclude tomorrow in the short term. And so Tuesday is going to be a very crazy day. It's either going to be a beautiful crazy or it's going to be a very sad crazy, but either or, Tuesday is going to be an eventful day, and I will be there to cover the stocks after all the mess. And so AMC today still trading a little bit sideways, not really going anywhere as of right now, down 3.28%. Next stock of the day, we're looking at GOEV on the 30-minute time frame. So Canoe is down about 1.82%, and again, you got to be patient with this one, because this one will continue to trade sideways in this triangle pattern. This triangle pattern, however, does line up with NEO and BLNK's pattern, which end at the beginning of March. And so right now we are sitting right below our 50-day SMA, which is slightly bearish, but we are still above our uptrend line. So I do expect us to continue to ping pong in this channel until the conclusion of it. So don't expect any crazy jumps and runs with GOEV just yet. Next stock of the day, we're looking at UAVS on the 30-minute time frame. So UAVS got crushed today, down 8.54%. Biggest thing with UAVS I wanted to see was us hold the short-term line of support, which we could not. And so as of right now, we are still bullish because we are above this uptrend line. And so the move with UAVS is simple. We need to get back above our short-term line of resistance now. If we can hold this line of resistance at around 1510, I do think we will start to hit new all-time highs with this one. But that is still yet to happen, and we need that to happen for UAVS. So we're also looking at a final line of support right here on this uptrend line. If UAVS does break down from this point, I do expect more downside, as the 50-day SMA is very low down here, and so we could see a test of that 50 SMA if we break down from this line of support. As of right now, we are bullish on it, and we do want to see a break of this 1510 line of resistance. Today we were down 8.54, tough day for UAVS. And so this was our quick little update on the stocks that we're watching, as well as the SPY to gauge the health of the overall markets. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. We are on that road to 10K subs, so if you appreciate the hard work and you made it to this point in the video, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I will see you guys in the next one.